Welcome back to the Project2three YouTube channel for another short trip from central Scotland down towards the borders today on the BMW GS1250 adventure. It's a nice day today, not too much rain, trying out a different camera angle, so nothing really you'll see of the bike here, just full road ahead. So just leaving my local area just now. Absolutely hate this junction in a car, never mind a bike, but successfully navigated. Always a dangerous bit of road, if you know, you know. So just coming up on a couple of random bikers here. They're not part of the guys that I'm meeting today, but yeah, getting into the swing of things. Just the bike's not long warmed up and making our way towards the destination and meeting our first friends. Like I say, the weather's good, looking forward to it. It's early on a Sunday morning, roads aren't too bad. Yeah, just looking forward to enjoying my bike and getting out there. Threw together some time lapses for everyone today, so it's not the most exciting but also not the most boring video, so let's get into it and see where we end up. Again, if you're from this area and you recognise the bit of road that we're on, you'll know exactly what I'm about to describe here, but the road's very up and down, roller coaster-esque some would say. But it's, I believe the road was laid over peat bogs years ago, and it follows the contours of the peat bogs. Whether that's true or not, I have no idea, but it makes for an enjoyable couple of minutes of riding. One thing I absolutely hate is the GoPro. The footage that you're seeing here, it takes away any resemblance to the gradient or how steep parts of the road are. It just totally loses it in the camera, but hopefully you get a bit of an idea of what the road's like, and a bit more dramatic than it may seem on camera. The video you are watching is GS1250 in 6th gear here, always law abiding as you would imagine, but it's a great fast bit of road. Unfortunately no wheelies in this video, but very entertaining and apt bit of road to test out your skills should you need to. Just thought I'd pop this in here. It's literally a few minutes away from where I live, and it's a great bit of fun, and just to break up the time lapse a bit as well. So yeah, cruising along these roads, kind of getting out into the middle of nowhere, again quiet on a Sunday morning and just enjoying it. So I'll let us keep going on with the video and I'll get back into a time lapse for the rest of the journey. So I've now just picked up one of our friends who's also travelling on a BMW GS 1250 today. Just left the small town of Camrath and heading towards Peebles. At this point I'm just ecstatic that it's not raining. There's been some kind of rain blowing in the wind, but even though the sky looks terrible, the roads are great, they're nice and dry, the roads are quiet, minimal traffic, so really enjoying it up until this point. I'm going to stick in another time lapse here and we'll continue on our way down to Peebles. Well, this is just us arriving into the border town of Peebles. It's a nice Sunday morning. Managed to stay dry pretty much on the full way down. We're going to park up the bikes in a couple of minutes time and actually spend about another 45 minutes looking for somewhere to get breakfast. Unfortunately not a very exciting story. It ended up being a Greg's sausage roll and some lime brew, but yeah, for a Sunday everything was pretty much shut in Peebles. So yeah, still worth the trip, great roads, nice weather, good day out on the bikes. I am going to split this up. I know it's quite repetitive in terms of it's just time lapses, but you know, who wants to watch an hour and 30 minutes of just front facing GoPro? If that's your thing, fair enough, but I thought I'd try and break it up a bit. I will do another part 2 on this video to when we used the hill road to come back up towards Edinburgh. Some great scenery and another quite exciting road, again with this front facing camera, so let's see how that video pans out. But thank you all for watching. If you're still here after all this time, just enjoy sharing some videos of being out and about on my bike, and hopefully they'll get more exciting this year as we progress to the first rally and building a new bike for the rallying. So please subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see more of these videos, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks for watching.